Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Zoho Mail in Outlook. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open Zoho, then you're going to go to the settings over here at the right side bar, then over here at this side, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to click on Mail Accounts, then you're going to click on IMAP over here at the top, then you're going to allow the IMAP access by clicking on the checkbox over here at the side, then click on Save. And after that, you're going to go to your profile icon over here at the top, then click on My Account. Then over here at the left side, you're going to click on Security, then click on App Passwords, then click on Generate New Password. Then you're going to enter Outlook in the app name, then click on Generate. Then you're going to copy the app-specific password that it gave you. Now we're going to go to Outlook. Then you're going to click on the plus icon over here at the side. Then you're going to click on Add Email Account. Then you're going to input your Zoho Mail email address. Then click on Continue. Then over here at IMAP Password, you're going to paste the password that we've previously copied from Zoho. Then you're going to click on Add Account. And after you've done that, you should be able to log in your Zoho Mail in Outlook. So that's it. Thanks for watching.